Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7255. 7255. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. Oh, overlook the dual box. We have a 1 here, already given, so this box should be a 2. And I see here also a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. This box should be a 4 or a 5. Okay. Triple box. Overlooked those boxes, the triple box and the dual box. Next question, do we have here a quadruple box? Yes, I see here a quadruple box. And when you see a quadruple box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Well, the other numbers could be everywhere. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. And my next strategy is to look for shapes. Yeah, look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. But we have also, in this T shape, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. T shape. Then, the following shape that you need to recognize. We have only one T shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, wait, let me draw this first. This shape, that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Right, only one shape of this kind. Okay. And the last shape we have in this puzzle is the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Rotated. The L shape is rotated here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. But it cannot be a 5. We have a 5 here. So it should be a 4. Should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Interesting. Need to wait here. Wait. How about these 2 boxes can be, these 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 3. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. 2 and a 4. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And also those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1. In this quarter box, because it should be a 1. Can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely 1. So need a 3 here, okay. Need a 3 here. Then this box can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1. And also this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 4. Because we have a double 4 there. If you place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us, the 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. So the other 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be 1. And if I eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Well. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there. Double 5 there. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. I need to wait here. Okay. Let me go down. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Need to think here. Think. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 with as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3 or 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there, and can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped quarter box should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this L-shaped quarter box should be there. The 2. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 3. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 4 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes. And they finish in 50 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. I believe 15 minutes and a few seconds. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Thursday. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.